Welcome to Muni International School. Nigerian delegates visited Delhi's Muni International School. Nigerian delegates visited the school to learn the innovations made by Muni International School in the field of education. Visitors from India and abroad frequently visit Muni International School located at Mohan Garden, Delhi. On 17 January, Nigerian visitors along with Grey Matters Capital representatives Jayashree Shankar and Shraddha Jha made a special visit to understand the Muni school methodology. Nigerian visitors mainly included the Edfin MFB Nigeria's MD and CEO Banmi Lawson, Head Sales Adedayo Adewale, Jayashree Shankar from GMC and independent GMC consultant Shraddha Jha also participated in this visit. The main purpose of the visit to Muni school by the Nigerian visitors was to understand education patterns implemented in different countries. During the visit, they deeply understood the teaching and training methods implemented at Muni school. They understood from the school founder, Dr. Ashok Kumar Thakur, the innovations done in the education sector and the impact they had on students. In order to understand the teaching model of the school, they also visited different classrooms and met students and teachers. Nigerian delegates who visited the meeting said they had never seen in any other school the kind of work being done by Muni International School.
और हमारे जो मेंबर्स हैं वो नाइजीरिया से आए हैं जेएमसी के थ्रू यहाँ पे ये देखने के लिए कि मुनी स्कूल कैसा काम करता है, क्योंकि हम सब ने इतना कुछ सुना हुआ है। इनफैक्ट ये मेरा तीसरा विजिट है स्कूल ना, मुझे हर बार यहाँ पे आना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि इतना इनोवेशन यहाँ पे हो रहा है और इस लो कॉस्ट लिमिटेड रिसोर्स एनवायरनमेंट में ये मुनी स्कूल कर पा रहा है। ये ज़रूरी है कि सब लोग जानें और सब लोग देखें। मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात जो लगी एक्चुअली अशोक सर का जो विज़न है वो इतनी अच्छी तरीके से वो ट्रांसलेट यहाँ पे कर पाए हैं, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाए हैं। और उनका जो मानना है कि अगर केवल एक स्कूल प्रोग्रेस करेगा तो केवल एक ही स्कूल तक वो अच्छी बातें लिमिटेड रहेंगी, लेकिन अगर बाकी स्कूल्स में ये फैलेगा तो वो रेवोल्यूशन आएगा। हमें इसी टाइप के रेवोल्यूशन की ज़रूरत है जो रेप्लिकेट किया जा सके, जो स्केल किया जा सके, तभी क्वालिटी। क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल्स अगर अपने अपने दुनिया में काम करेंगे अकेले तो वो काम नहीं हो पाएगा, लेकिन अगर वो मिल के कोलैबोरेट होकर काम करेंगे तभी वो काम जो है और हो पाएगा और जल्दी हो पाएगा। और यहाँ बच्चों से बात करना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि उनमें दिखता है वो जो लीडरशिप क्वालिटी है, वो इतने कॉन्फिडेंट है। ये दो लीडरशिप, कॉन्फिडेंस, कम्युनिकेशंस, ये कुछ ऐसी स्किल्स है जो बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो बच्चों को आगे ले जा सकती हैं। और जो पहले भी कहा जा रहा है मतलब वो जॉय ऑफ लर्निंग वो बच्चों में दिखता है। जैसे मैं हमेशा जब भी बच्चों से इंटरेक्ट करती हूँ मैं यही पूछती हूँ कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे और क्यों आपको यहाँ पे आना अच्छा लगता है। और उनको जितनी खुशी के साथ वो शेयर करते हैं वो दिखता है कि वो जितना भी यहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट को क्रिएट किया गया है वो बच्चे उसमें एंजॉय कर पा रहे हैं। और वो अच्छी तरीके से, अगर अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट होगा तभी वो इम्बाइब कर पाएंगे सब कुछ। तो इसीलिए मुझे लगता है इसमें जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है और वो जितने लोग जान पाए उतना अच्छा है। सो ऑल द बेस्ट। या
Such a wonderful experience coming all the way from Nigeria to learn what Muni's mode of teaching is. And I find it very, very useful. I do believe that the students will actually grow up to add value to society. And I like the model of teaching, one from the healthy body, how you influence society, and that learning is really about giving back to society and not about self. There's so many concepts that Muni has and has created in the school that I do feel that it's something that we will take back to Nigeria and actually implement in our school. So I think he has done really well. We should keep it up. We hope that we can franchise this model across Africa, not only just Nigeria. That's something that we truly appreciate. The welcome was really, really good. You can see I have the sign and the chain around my neck. So really, it's been good. I like the organization, the children seem very intelligent, you know. You have to be careful what you say so that you don't look stupid in front of the children, but the children have done really well, and that's the most important thing, that the children are coming out with an educated mind. Thank you.
So actually, the school is doing very well. The school has innovative methods of technique. But I think after we came here, I thought I saw a different world. It's very, I don't know, I have no words to even explain the kind of model that I saw. This was not something which we even expected or even thought of. The way children learn themselves, the way children help learn other children, and the kind of discipline, the kind of values that they have. I'm sure these children will go a lot. I think this was like a world opening to us. And despite the constraints in space, despite the constraints in funds and things like that, the way the school has managed to scale up. So I think it is for other schools, and why for other schools? I think it is for us also to learn. I think we have our children, we have our grandchildren coming up. So long time to come, long time to come. And hearty congratulations to Mr. Ashok Kumar for the exit. So amazing. Hats off to you guys. Great work. Congratulations once again.
Hello, my name is Dayo from Nigeria. I'm really impressed. Oh, that's me containing myself. Honestly, if I'm going to go by my way, I'm going to be screaming right now. I'm excited. I'm so glad I can see and I can see it's working. It's not about having a model and you're not seeing the working. It's working. I like the fact that it's different. I like the fact that its end focus is the outcome already. The how the children will impact the society and impact the world. That aim is on that is where he has built his curriculum, his syllabus, everything on the impact that these children are going to have in the world, which has actually made him to go far in looking for ways and methods to input this knowledge in these children. And I can see it in every area of their life. They learn life. Like he has already said, they learn how to live, actually. And today I learned a new meaning of education in Mooney School. Thumbs up.